Fits Igloo Cool Chill, Koolmate and Iceless TEs. Extra fuse included. Heavy-duty 8-inch cord and power indicator light. Self-adjusting power connector. ETL safety listed. Igloo 12-volt DC power cord fits Igloo Cool Chill, Koolmate and Iceless TEs. Extra fuse included. Heavy-duty 8-inch black cord and power indicator light. Self-adjusting power connector. ETL safety listed. Made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. Came fast and quick. Very durable. Came fast. Hooked it up to my truck refrigerator for a 7-hour trip to Virginia inside my car. No melting at the tip like my old charger was doing.